from Form 5 Prosa Traditional. It's called Burung, Terbang, Dipipiskan, Lada. Okay, the story you don't need to remember, but then at least I need you to let you know what is the story ongoing. Okay, for watak Tun Perak is also called Bendara, and it's also called Badota Raja, and also called Bendahara because dia akan kena naik pangkat. Okay, Sultan is the king, for Melaka, and then Tun Kudu is one of the wife for Sultan Muzaffar Pasha. Seri Nara Diraja is that time of like Perdana Menteri. Okay, Tun Umar is one of penduduk di Melaka. Okay, for Siam, we have Bumbunya and also Chow Pandan. Okay, Bumbunya is the king, and then the son is called Chow Pandan. And then one person is called Tuan Sidi, is from Arab, but then dia menetap di Melaka, stay in Melaka. Wait, the story starts with Raja Siam want to menakluki Melaka. Okay, last time when the countries they have the power, actually they just need to send surat sembah, which is surat tanda kedudukan, only before we berperang. Okay, because they have the power. So like, if this country belong to me, then I will attack this country like this. Okay, so Raja Siam menghantar wakilnya untuk pergi ke Melaka untuk menghantar surat siam, untuk meminta surat siam. Okay, surat sembah, sorry. Okay, now, but then of course Sultan Muzaffar said, no, I don't want to menyembah to Raja Siam. Okay, Raja Siam the wakil feel angry and then go back to Siam. Of course, the Bumbunya feel very angry. And then dia memerintah all the tentera untuk menyerang Melaka, to attack Melaka. Of course, when Sultan know that Siam want to attack, they feel very nervous. Of course, menghimpunkan semua rakyat lelaki Melaka, which is ask everyone to come to protect Melaka. They ask tentera laut and also tentera darat. Okay, D is tentera darat, L is tentera laut. Okay, tentera laut actually brings their wife and also their children. Okay, it's actually Tun Perak that time is still tentera laut. He asked all these tentera to bring his wife and anak-anak. Okay, why is it they want to bring to anak-anak is to ask them to help attack for Siam, so they will be more spirit, lebih bersemangat, because they want to protect their children and also their wife, and it's not just protect the country. Okay, because of these actions, Melaka the first time perang pertama they win already. Okay, of course the Sultan feel like this person is a very smart person. Of course, I want naik pangkat dia, which is dia become bentara now. And then, but then, King asked him to stay in Melaka, so at least got someone that can protect from Melaka if something happened. Okay, one day, one of the penduduk is called Orang Kelang. They come to complain to Sultan Melayu. He say, "Hey, you're this Tun Perak." I cannot say because I just tell you what they are talking. So Tun Perak telah menganiaya, which is like they say something bad about Tun Perak, which is Tun Perak want to do something bad to him, like this. For example, of course, King want to know that what is the truth. So he asked Tun Perak to masuk ke dalam istana to ask the question. But Tun Perak feel very angry. That time he still rasa marah for it's called bentara. He feel very angry because he feel that King doesn't trust him. Because King want to meet up with him to consider it about and then talking what after the explanations. Okay, and then Tun Perak feel very angry because he said, because of one person complain about me and then you didn't trust me. So dia cakap dia tidak tahu like I don't know how to do anymore. Okay, and he know the responsibility to take care of the country. So he said, I don't want to do your bentara anymore. I want to like protect myself like this. Okay, of course, King want to comfort him because Tun Perak, which is bentara, is a smart person. Because of him, Melaka first time the perang they win. Okay, so dia to comfort him, dia menaikkan pangkat lagi, which is sebagai Paduka Raja. Is that timing called Perdana Menteri. Okay, Perdana Menteri that timing is same level with Seri Nara Diraja. Okay, when you have two person in same power, this will create a conflict. So, got half of them support Tun Perak, half of them support Seri Nara Diraja. Okay, because of this, they keep on arguing and tidak bermuafakat. It's not like unite and always like miscommunicate, keep arguing, and these things makes our king feel very sad, duka cita, because this thing is not just not just perang, okay, like it's not just the war will affect the country, but if one country they don't have unite and always misunderstanding, argue, of course also will destroy the country. So he very worried. So he think about one cara, which is, okay, this is just a story. I'm not sure is it whether it's true. Okay, dia memperisterikan, which is Tun Kudu, one of his wife. Dia menceraikan dia dulu and then memperisterikannya kepada Seri Naradiraja. Okay, ngam this Tun Kudu also the like the cousin relative to Tun Perak, which is now Paduka Raja. Okay, after dia married Seri Naradiraja, married this Tun Kudu. Okay, the patterns like hating, like very how to say, benci those like Paduka Raja, they changed the attitude really. Dia ingin berbaik-baik dengan Paduka Raja. Okay, and then now he said, I will support him to become Bendahara. Okay, now, so the Tun Perak, which is Bendahara Paduka Raja, memerintahkan Tun Umar supaya menaki perahu, to go to check the perahu of Siam, to check the boat of Siam. So Tun Umar is orang yang berani. So when he sees someone that this is a perahu Siam, dia terus bang, okay, melanggar beberapa buah perahu Siam sehingga mereka kalah, which is until the boat sink. Okay, so of course orang Siam will feel scared because orang Siam see, one person also can like bang for our few boat ready. What if the whole gang? Okay, so at the night time, orang Siam is just like observe first. He doesn't want to attack first. And then Bendahara Paduka Raja, which is the Tun Perak, dia mengarahkan all the pengikut to mengikat the puntun api, or this puntun api to at all the pohon-pohon kayu bakar, ngirai dan tumpu api-api, so that it's like burning like this. So when you see from far, it's like a lot of fire, it's like a huge fire like this. Of course, orang Siam will feel scared. So when orang Siam feels scared, he doesn't want to attack first. He go back first because he also want his own like keselamatan, menjaga keselamatan diri. So they all go back. Bumbunya very angry. So he said, I want to attack Melaka my own. So he said, his son said, oh, chill, dad, don't angry. So I will help you to attack. Okay, so when they know that, dia punya son want to attack again, Tuan Sidi, which is seorang Arab yang menetap di Melaka, he still stay in Melaka because he also want to protect his own safety. And when he know orang Siam want to attack Melaka again, he come out and say, actually, I know some black magic. So he actually very good in playing those black magic. So dia memainkan panah, which is the panah which is invisible, like shoot to the benua Siam. And then standing there and just shoot. Okay. After they shoot three panah, then he said, I already done. Okay, people also feel weird. Is it true or not? But then at benua Siam, Shah Pandan suddenly feel like very pain and then muntah darah and then meninggal dunia. Okay. Orang Siam, of course, they feel takut because you see, they didn't do anything. Melaka didn't do anything. But then dia boleh membunuh our Chow Pandan. Of course, they already scared, don't want to attack from Melaka. They like say, we surrendered, we don't want to attack you anymore. Okay, of course, Sultan feel very happy and then give the praise to Tuan Sidi and also give some rewards for him. And this Sultan, like holding the throne's like Dakta for 42 years, only changed to his son. Okay, so the story ends until here. Okay, but BMS is not important for you to memorize all the story. It's just for you to easy to change the words. It's still training you how to change the words. Okay, so that's all for today. I'll see you when I see you. Okay, bye-bye.